Delivering clean water to every household is essential, but how do we, the water service utility, do it? In this video, you will learn the tools, materials, and the procedures on how to install a new water service connection. Let's start with the tools we need. 2 pieces of pipe wrench, pipe threader, shovel, digging bar, measuring tape or pull-push roll, and pipe cutter, or you can use a hacksaw. For the materials we need, 1 piece 1/2 inch water meter, 1 piece 3/4 inch angle valve, 1 piece 1 inch by 3/4 inch GIT reducer, 1 piece 3/4 inch by 2 inch nipple, 1 piece 1 inch by 4 inch nipple, and 1 piece tailpiece. And the materials from the concessionaire are 1 piece 1/2 inch GI coupling, 2 GI straight elbow 1/2 inch by 90 degrees, 2 GI elbow 1/2 inch by 90 degrees, 1 brass ball valve 1/2 inch, 1 faucet, 3 meters of 1/2 inch GI pipe, 2 pieces of 1/2 inch male adapter, and 2 pieces of 3/4 inch Teflon. Now let's go to the procedures. Step 1. Prepare the necessary tools and materials needed for the installation. Step 2. Proceed to the job site and check the layout of the concessionaire's pipeline prepared by the concessionaire. Step 3. Request the materials needed for the faucet and meter stand from the concessionaire. Step 4. Apply 5 to 10 turns of Teflon to the 1/2 inch water meter, 7 to 12 turns of Teflon to the 3/4 inch GI nipple, and 10 to 15 turns of Teflon to the 1 inch GI nipple. Partially assemble 1 inch nipple, 1 inch by 3/4 inch GIT reducer, 3/4 inch nipple, and 3/4 inch angle valve. Step 5. Close the gate valve or ball valve of the supply stand. Step 6. Remove the GI plug Connect the partially assembled fittings indicated in Step 4. Then put the GI plug to the other end of the GIT reducer. Open the gate valve or ball valve of the supply stand, then connect the water meter. Step 7. Partially assemble the tailpiece, 1/2 inch by 90 degrees straight elbow, and the 1/2 inch ball valve, and temporarily attach it to the water meter for measuring purposes. Step 8. For the water meter stand, measure the height from the ground to the ball valve, Then cut the half-inch GI pipe using the pipe cutter or hacksaw, then thread it. The standard height for the stand is 2 feet from the ground, but still depends on the existing tap stand. Step 9. Remove the temporarily attached tailpiece, straight elbow, and ball valve. Step 10. Apply 5 to 10 turns of Teflon to the cut half-inch GI pipe, then attach to the ball valve. Apply 5 to 10 turns of Teflon to the half-inch male adapter, attach the half-inch GI elbow, then connect the meter stand. Step 11. Connect the meter stand to the laid-out PE tube. Then connect the tailpiece to the water meter. Step 12. Measure, cut, and thread the half-inch GI pipe for the faucet stand. The standard height of the stand is still 2 feet. Step 13. Apply 5 to 10 turns of Teflon to the cut half-inch GI pipe. Attach half-inch GI elbow and half-inch straight elbow, then attach the half-inch GI coupling. Step 14. Apply 5 to 10 turns of Teflon to the half-inch male adapter, then connect to the half-inch GI elbow. Step 15. Apply 5 to 10 turns of Teflon to the faucet, then connect it to the half-inch GI coupling. Step 16. Connect the laid-out PE tube to the half-inch male adapter, then bind the faucet stand to the metal support. Step 17. Open the angle valve and ball valve. Step 18. Perform quality check. Check if there is water coming out of the faucet. Check for any leaking. And check the alignment of the fittings. Step 19. Completely fill out the service application and installation order form. Step 20. Request the concessionaire to sign the form and give 1 copy of the form to the concessionaire. Step 21. Clean the workplace and conduct inventory of tools before leaving the job site. Now you have successfully installed a new water service connection. We can now deliver clean and safe drinking water.